Hi, I'm Josh Nathaniel Tierca Blanca, and I'm going to show you the effect of water on soil erosion. Materials: a pitcher of water, an empty water bottle, some soil, a container, a knife or a scissors. Let's begin. Use a scissors to cut a large rectangular out of the side of the plastic bottle. Just below the neck of the bottle, place a clear container. Ensure that the plastic container not too short. It should be capable of holding the water that will pour out from the bottle. Fill the plastic bottle. Slowly pour water from a pitcher into the rectangular opening on the side of the bottle. Pour water on the entire surface of the soil. Observe how the water passes through the soil and how it flows out into the plastic cup or glass placed just below the small opening of the bottle. Were you able to do the activity correctly? How? Yes, because I have followed the instructions correctly and I have the materials needed. What have you observed in the activity? I have observed that the lands are swept easily because there was nothing was holding it. What is your conclusion on the effect of water on soil erosion? The water softens the soil and all of that causes landslide and there's one way to prevent that by planting trees. And the roots of the trees can hold the land together and it will prevent landslides. And this is the end of the video. Have a great day.